make it a pinata? Flour and water?
So it tastes good.
Livy.
Should we sweeten that up? Put a little sugar in there?
Yeah, a little bit. I want to put it in.
Okay, we gotta get a little sugar.
I want to put it in.
Okay, open it.
And I was split.
Open your hand up. I pour it in your hand.
A little bit.
Okay. Brush it off.
To help. I want something that I can wipe.